Hello everyone and welcome back to Zacklet Educational Channel. I hope your exams went well and you are a bit relaxed now. But at the same time, you all will be anxious to know about the overall view of all the appeared candidates for the environmental science paper. Yes, so without further delay, let's start the very first review of UGC NET environmental science paper. So these are the views coming from the candidates, those who have appeared in today's examination, that is on 2nd September for the UGC NET Environmental Science paper. So let us know one by one the first review coming for this exam. Some of the candidates, they are telling exam acha hua, so exam was good. And one of the candidates told that it is a moderate level. And one candidate, he or she said or he said that previous year's questions was also asked. लास्ट वाले के कुछ क्वेश्चंस रिपीट थे. दैट मीन्स द सेशन विच वॉज कैंसल जून सेशन, सो द क्वेश्चंस वर रिपीटेड फ्रॉम दैट सेशन ऑल्सो. सो वी वर रिपीटेडली टेलिंग दैट यू शुड complete all those 150 questions which was cancelled in the last exam for this June session, because questions will be repeated. Yes, they were repeated, so those who have completely done that questions, they would have been benefited in this session. Next is exam was okay, and one of the candidates told DI thoda sahi se kiya. That means DY, he or she was able to completely do that easily. Next is questions from coal was asked. So some questions from coal was also asked. We will make a separate video on the memory based question. This is just the first review, I am repeatedly telling. Next is one of the candidates said that why have they set the bar to clear the exam too high. So for these candidates, the exam was too tough. Even the match the following was hard. So even the match the following was not of easy level as per these candidates. So this was the review coming from these candidates. And one of the candidates asked that mark for review will be evaluated or not. So this many people are asking because they have left some of the questions in mark for review. So they are having the doubt whether it will be considered or not, will be evaluated or not. So we will look into the UGC's rule, what is for the mark for review and unanswered thing. So let's move on to the next slide. So this is taken from the UGC rules, that is the NTA which conducts the examination. As per that, there are options like one is not visited, one is not answered, one is answered, one is marked for review, and other option is answered and marked for review, which will be considered for evaluation. So if these instructions were given this time also, then you are lucky that if you have marked for review and answer, then you will be considered for evaluation. But only if you have marked for review and if you haven't answered, then that will not be considered, because here they have explained the answered and marked for review status for a question indicates that candidate would like to have a relook to that question and they will be considered for evaluation. But however, if a candidate has simply put mark for review for a question without answering it, the corresponding question marked for review without an answer will not be considered for evaluation. Yes, so if these are the rules this time also, then you will not be evaluated for the questions which you have only marked for review without answering. But some people are also telling that the rules were changed this time, so it was if you are marking also you will be considered. So I don't know exactly what were the rules this time. So if it was not these rules, then you will be benefited. But if this NTA is following these rules, then your answers will not be evaluated if you have only marked for review and unanswered. So this was the first review. The mega review will be getting after getting all the views from the maximum candidates. So don't forget to give the poll which we are conducting in our channel Telegram group Learn for the Environment, so that you can also know what was the difficulty level from maximum students, those who have appeared. And you should also tell the review how was the paper, so that we can make a mega review. So now the examination is over, no need to worry, you have given your attempt. So now you need to pray and wait for the answer key and for the results. So see you guys in our next video. Relax now. All the very best for the result. Take care and believe in yourself.